Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bobo token. Name of the token is Bobo, ticker symbol is also Bobo. This token got listed yesterday on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. A lot of meme tokens been listed yesterday, a lot of Pepe tokens, all sorts of different memes. Bobo, the bear, is another one here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Bobo token just got listed yesterday on CMC. Their official webpage is bobo-eth.com. This is Ethereum token, obviously. They have their Etherscan on here. So according to their Etherscan, it says they have 1,584 holders so far, off to a good start. 9 decimal places, and a max total supply here of that is 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. Their Twitter is available on CoinMarketCap at Bobo_ERC20. They also have a Telegram at Bobo_ERC20. And there is a warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about getting this token. It says the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a big scam when they could change all those things on the smart contract. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token, because that can be real sketchy, those warnings there. Now, the token was up yesterday. Right now, it's only up 0.27%, so it's kind of the same. It says fully diluted market cap $1.8 million, and market cap is $2.7 million. 24-hour trading volume is $5.3 million. So you can also find the price chart, contract address, all of that is available on CoinMarketCap. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Bobo token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll have a look at that, see if there is in just 1 second. So it says the Bobo meme token was born out of the community-driven movement on social media. The developers used blockchain technology to create the Bobo token and the smart contract governing its distribution. And use includes features such as 0% tax. There you go. So if there's 0% tax on Uniswap, you most likely will just have to leave slippage the way it is. It says liquidity burned and contract renounced. So it says contract renounced, but then at the top of the CoinMarketCap page, it says they can alter the contract. So don't always take the page's word for it. Review audits. See if there is audits. First of all, I didn't even know if this token is audited. Look for KFCs, KYCs, look for Seifu badges, all that type of stuff before thinking about investing. That's what I mean by do your own research and then read the audits, thoroughly investigate. So these features ensure that there are no transaction fees, that liquidity is maintained, and that the smart contract cannot be modified or controlled by anyone, providing a high level of transparency and security for its users. Bobo meme token is unique in several ways. First is a cryptocurrency that is specifically designed for the creation, sharding, and trading of memes, which are popular forms of online content. This focus on memes sets us apart from other cryptocurrencies, which may have different purposes or applications. Second, the Bobo token is built on the blockchain technology, which provides a decentralized and transparent platform for the users to interact. That ensures that all transactions involving the Bobo token are recorded on the blockchain, making them immutable and resistant to tampering or fraud. So in 2023, the Bobo meme token continues to thrive as a unique and innovative platform for the creation, sharing, and trading of memes. The future of Bobo meme token is focused on improving the platform and expanding its offerings. The developers are working to provide more opportunities for creators or traders to engage with each other, as well as expanding the reach of the platform through collaborations and market efforts. New tools for new meme creations, trading features, and liquidity incentives may also be introduced in further developments of the meme economy. So on their webpage, it says Bobo, the meme bear, is a popular internet meme that has been adopted as the mascot for this meme coin, representing the fun and spirit of the cryptocurrency world. Now they have links to Uniswap, their Etherscan, Dex Tools chart, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Flues Trade, Twitter, and Telegram on their webpage. So Bobo is an ERC20 token based on the bear, fun and playful cryptocurrency, 0% tax, represents a new era in meme coins. And yeah, it talks about Bobo and Pepe, you know, how they're friends or whatever, two beloved memes. And like I said, I just posted a video about Pepe yesterday, so check that video out. The Pepe coin just got listed on MEXC Global yesterday, and that token right now is super popular, the Pepe token, and people have been making so many meme coins based off Pepe. And then also what's the other? Oh yeah, the AI Doge one is popular, and I believe that AI Shiba one that just came out on MEXC Global is also going to be pretty popular. So check out those 3 videos that I posted: the AI Doge, AI Shiba, and Pepe the Frog token. All those seem to be doing very well right now. But this token, like I said, has a big warning at the top of the page, so thoroughly investigate this token if you're going to think about getting this one. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.